Somalia prepared to face Niger in 2018 FIFA World Cup qualifying match with a light-hearted training session and some time to relax. They should have been training on grass, but a playing field mix-up meant their training ground was the car park of their hotel in the Ethiopian capital, Addis Ababa. Most of Somalia's players come from country's fledgling football league, although 4, including striker Abubakar Shigo, have made the journey from Europe for the match.
Well, I'm from Manchester. In England, I played football since I was a kid. Well, I got it from my dad, really. He used to play in Somalia, he used to play in international. So that's why he actually wanted me to come and play for the national team. So that's how this all started. But yeah, I played professional for Wigan. And before that, I played for Manchester City, academy level. And then last year, I was playing in Costa Rica, first division team called Carmelita. So and now I'm here.
With an internal conflict still claiming lives back home, it is too dangerous to play football in Somalia.
I've not played for Somalia before, so I'm really looking forward, obviously, to represent my country and all the people in Somalia and also all around the world. Yeah, we're looking forward to it. We've prepared for the game, and we're going to give everything we've got in our locker, and hopefully we come back with a good result, and then make history and go to the second round.
For a team that has beaten the odds to assemble for this tie, Somalia radiates confidence despite a myriad of challenges.
Yeah, you know, everyone knows about what's happening in Somalia and Mogadishu, so there's no any team can come in Mogadishu. So our federation decided to come to Ethiopia because Ethiopia is a same like Somalia. They have, you know, they are brothers. We are brothers here.
After their match on Friday, the team hopes to continue their training ahead of the return leg, irrespective of the match outcome. Sadiq Shaban, CCTV.